In the current 2026 AI landscape, Nanobot, developed by HKUDS, has emerged as the primary minimalist alternative to OpenClaw, created by Peter Steinberger. While OpenClaw is the more feature-rich, battle-tested giant, Nanobot is often considered better for specific users who value transparency and speed over a massive ecosystem. The comparison essentially boils down to the Swiss Army knife, OpenClaw, versus the Scalpel, Nanobot. Here are the key comparisons between Nanobot and OpenClaw. Regarding codebase size, OpenClaw has over 430,000 lines, while Nanobot has approximately 4,000 lines. For primary language, OpenClaw uses TypeScript, Swift, and Kotlin. Nanobot uses Python. Setup time. OpenClaw is complex, taking 30 minutes or more. Nanobot is simple, taking about 10 minutes. Resource usage. OpenClaw is high, requiring multi-gigabyte RAM. Nanobot is ultra-low, using about 300 megabytes of RAM. Startup speed. OpenClaw takes several seconds. Nanobot takes less than 1 second. Customization. OpenClaw has a steep learning curve and is hard to customize. Nanobot is easy with readable Python. There are several reasons why Nanobot is often preferred. First, 99% less bloat. Nanobot provides the core agent loop, the ability to think, use tools, and remember, with a 170 times smaller footprint. If you don't need OpenClaw's hundreds of niche integrations, Nanobot is significantly more efficient. Second, auditability and security. Because the entire codebase is only 4,000 lines of Python, a single developer can read and understand the entire system in an afternoon. This is a massive advantage for privacy-conscious users who are wary of giving an autonomous agent system-level access. Third, developer-friendly prototyping. For your work on video generation and text-to-speech applications, Nanobot's Python-centric architecture makes it much easier to pipe your custom scripts into the agent's toolbelt compared to OpenClaw's more rigid, multi-language framework. Fourth, lower barrier to entry. It can run easily in lightweight Linux containers or on older hardware where OpenClaw might struggle or lag. However, OpenClaw still wins in certain areas. For the MOM test, OpenClaw has better polished UIs and one-click installers for non-technical users. Regarding the ecosystem, if you need your AI to specifically check you into a flight, manage a complex iMessage thread, or use a very specific enterprise tool, OpenClaw likely already has a skill for it in ClawHub. And for multi-platform, OpenClaw has deeper native integration for macOS, Windows, and mobile environments.